Learn fast. Listen better. Subscribe for simple English. Wine is one of the oldest and most interesting drinks in human history. It is an alcoholic drink made by fermenting grape juice. Wine has played an important role in culture, religion, art, literature, and even medicine. From ancient times to modern tables, wine still has a special place. What is wine? Wine is an alcoholic drink made by natural fermentation of the sugar in grape juice. The main differences between wines come from the type of grapes, the way it is made, and how long it is aged. Red wine, made from dark-colored grapes. The grape skins stay in the juice during fermentation. White wine, made from light or dark grapes, but the skins are removed before fermentation. Rose wine has a light pink color. Sparkling wine, like champagne, has bubbles. Wine has been made for over 8,000 years. Archaeologists found old signs of winemaking in different places. Georgia, the oldest signs of wine are from 6,000 years before Christ. In old civilizations like Egypt, Greece, and Rome, wine was used in religious ceremonies, social events, and medicine. Making wine is both a science and an art. The steps are picking the grapes, choosing the right grapes for the wine, pressing the grapes, getting the juice out of the grapes. Fermentation, natural yeast turns the sugar into alcohol. Bottling, putting the wine into bottles for sale or use. The type of barrel, like French or American oak, can change the final taste of the wine. The color changes with time. Red wine becomes lighter over time. Red Wine Day, celebrated every year on August 28th. Good for the gut. Some studies say that a small amount of red wine can help the gut microbiome. Religious symbol. In many religions, wine stands for blood, life, and holiness. Used in old medicine. People used wine to clean wounds and help with sickness in the past. Drinking wine, like any alcohol, needs balance and care. Possible benefits of drinking a little wine. May help the heart and reduce heart disease risk. May reduce swelling in the body because of antioxidants like resveratrol. May improve gut health by helping good bacteria. Problems with drinking too much. Can damage the liver and raise blood pressure. May raise the risk of some cancers. Can lead to alcohol addiction and mental health problems. Wine is more than just a drink. It is part of human history, culture, science, and art. When we understand the types of wine, how it is made, and its effects on the body, we can enjoy it more wisely. In today's world, where healthy living is important, knowing how to enjoy wine in a responsible way is part of that healthy path. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.